Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter today, and the name of this chapter is Parameter and Area of Plane Figures. We are going to solve questions from this. So the question is, what is plane figure or what is two-dimensional? Okay, so here is the definition. A geometry. What is two-dimensional or plane figure? In geometry, a two-dimensional shape can be defined as a flat plane figure or a shape that has two dimensions, length and width. Two-dimensional or 2D shapes do not have any thickness and can be measured in only two faces. So here are some shapes from which I can explain that what are two-dimensional, three-dimensional, or one-dimensional shapes. So here this is point and this is zero-dimensional. This is line and this is of one-dimensional. This is the square and this is of two-dimensional. And here is the cube and this is of three. As you all know that the International System of Units is made up of 7 base units which are used in measurements. And for example, length is a basic physical quantity and its base unit is the meter. So if we want to measure this line, we will measure it in centimeter, meter, kilometer or millimeters. This is the small line, so we will measure it in millimeter or centimeters because these are the smaller units of length. Okay. So for example, we want to measure it in centimeter, right? So we will write centimeter over here. We want to measure this thing in centimeter. This is square into centimeter, so this will be length into width because two-dimensional has always two dimensions, that is length and width. So it will be 1 centimeter. For example, it is of 1 centimeter and it will be of 1 centimeter. Then we want to measure this cube. So it has 3 sides. It has height also. It has length and width. It has length, then width, then height. Okay. So it will be like 1 centimeter, then 1 centimeter, then 1 centimeter. So when you multiply these 2 centimeter, it will become centimeter square. And when you will multiply these 3 centimeters, it will become centimeter cube. And this centimeter square means you are finding the area of a square, right? So what is area? So this triangle and this is a square. These two figures are two-dimensional figures. So all the things which are inside of the square is called the area. All the space, not the thing, sorry. All the space which is inside of the square is called the area. So this color yellow is area, right? And this color yellow is area in a triangle. So area is which is inside the space which is inside of a shape, of a two-dimensional shape, is called the area. Okay. So I'll explain this in detail later, but the question of today is the conversion of units. Why we convert units from one to another? We convert units from one to another because some things are small and some things are larger and bigger. So for bigger things we use kilometers and meters. For measurement of bigger things we use kilometers and meters, and for measurement of smaller things we use centimeters, millimeters, right? So if you want to measure the small wire, we will measure it in millimeters or centimeters, right? But if you want to measure a room, so it will be in kilometers, right? and here is the perimeter of these plane figures too. So perimeter is the boundary of the figure, is called the boundary of the figure. So in triangle here, all the sides in pink is the boundary of this triangle. This yellow is the area and this pink is the perimeter. And in square, this orange is the perimeter and this yellow is the area. So we will talk about it in detail later, but today we have to talk about conversion of units, that how to convert from one unit to another. And why do we convert it? Because some things are smaller and some things are bigger. For example, we measure distances, long distances in kilometers. For example, we measure the distance from Peshawar to Islamabad. So we measure it in kilometers because it is a long distance. For example, Peshawar to Islamabad is 180 kilometers. But we want to measure the length of a small wire, so we will measure it in centimeters or millimeters, right? So that is why we use conversions of units. Now there is a question that convert 5 meters square into centimeter square, and I explain it that why we put square on centimeter and why we put square on meter, right? So let's solve it. First we write the solution here, SOL, solution. Then we know that, right? We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now the question is that meter square and centimeter square, it's mentioned in the question. So we will convert this thing and this thing into square. So by squaring on both sides, write this line, by squaring on both sides, we get 1 meter square is equal to 100 centimeter square. So square means to multiply a number by itself 2 times. To multiply a number by itself 2 times. So 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter multiplied by 100 centimeter. We are multiplying 1 by itself and meter by itself 2 times, and then 100 by 100 and centimeter by centimeter. So it will become 1 meter square and it will become 110,000 centimeter square. How many zeros counted? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros. Put them together, all the 4 zeros. Okay. So now we got 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Now look at this thing. What they are saying, to convert a larger unit to a smaller unit, we multiply. So this is the larger unit. Meter is the larger unit, is larger than centimeter. So we will converting from larger to smaller. Okay. So we will, what we will do, we will multiply, right? So multiply 5 with 1. So it will become 5 multiplied by 1 meter square is equal to 5 multiplied by 10,000 centimeter square. So it will become 50,000 centimeters square. So 5 meters square is equal to 50,000 centimeters square, and that is the answer of our question.